Welcome to JH. If you're noticing that new titles aren't appearing in Tinfoil, here is how to resolve the issue. Begin by verifying your shop source, as the standard Tinfoil source is often taken offline or modified for legal reasons. To fix this, transition to a different provider like Bear Shop or Technic, making sure that the proper keys and configuration details are entered for these new sources. Another frequent culprit is incorrect system configuration, particularly if your switch's date or time is inaccurate. Navigate to System Settings and locate the Date and Time menu to ensure the option to synchronize the clock via the internet is turned on. Also, ensure your console has a stable internet connection and verify that airplane mode is disabled, as a poor connection prevents Tinfoil from loading the latest game data. An outdated version of the app or a minor software bug might also be the cause. Ensure Tinfoil is running the most recent update, and try restarting your switch or relaunching the application to clear any temporary errors. By switching your shop source, correcting your time settings, and keeping the software updated, you should see the New Games section reappear after a quick reboot.